Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring's online tutorial. This is a representation of the SSW part number 40 LT1 style computer connector, and it's also for the Vortec 96 through 99 style computer connector. Today we're going to be using basic tools, dikes, crimp tool with alphabetical die index A, B, C, D, and E. Strippers. Go ahead and take your wire, strip off about 1/8 of an inch. Place your terminal on the wire. Start in D of the die. D. Finish up in E. Same thing on the back. Insulation lock, D, and then E. Give it a 5-pound pull. Go ahead and locate your blue terminal tool that can be purchased on our online store. Place it in the keyway. Press down again, remove the lock, then place it in the cavity of your desire, place in, lock, make sure you hear it click once it inserts. Now to remove this, remove the lock, place your fingernail underneath the terminal or behind the terminal, kick it up, and pull it out through the back. You're done.